back to the channel. Hello, and we're gonna open zimomo. Lay on me. Oh, what is it? Oh. Wait, is it the flip me up?
I need a scissor.
Scissor?
Yeah.
I'll go get it.
This
Mom, this is
Thank you.
Wait, Mommy, is it the flip me up?
No. It's I fail you. I fail you. Oh. Ouch.
Sorry. Whoa, the chair! The chair!
Oh. So lovely.
Mới mua con này á, hôm qua đấy hả?
The monster.
The what? I really was hoping for the
The feet is so fluffy.
Yeah, it is. Look at pet pen. He looks so detailed. Look at his spikes.